40 points on your credit score is a lot, even if it doesn't seem like it. 40 points can take you from what's considered poor credit, which is 580 or lower, up to a 620, which is considered fair credit. And those 40 points could put more than a year's salary for most people back into your pocket. Hey everyone, this is Cody with Rent Reporters, and today we're going to show you exactly how much of a difference 40 points can make in your wallet. Say you need a $10,000 car loan to buy a car. If your score is considered poor, you'll pay an average of 15.7% in interest according to data from LendingTree. Now, car loans are typically 6 years long, and if we use this calculator, that $10,000 car will cost you over $15,500 once you finish paying the loan, costing you $215 per month. That's $5,500 in interest if you have a poor credit score. Now, just imagine if that car costs $20,000. But if you can boost your score from 580 to 620 and get into the fair credit score category, your interest rate falls to about 8.6%, which works out to a total of just under $12,000 and only $165 per month. So you'll save over $3,000 over the life of the loan and $50 every single month. Now, what if you have credit card debt? The starting average interest rate if you have poor credit is 21%. And keep in mind, that's the starting rate. It's very common to see interest rates pushing 30% if you have poor credit. But let's just go with 21%, and let's say that you have $5,000 in credit card debt. Most credit card companies charge you 1% plus whatever the interest is for your minimum payment. In this case, that works out to a $137 minimum payment every month. If you only make the minimum payment on your $5,000 credit card debt, it will cost you $8,124 and take 23 years to completely pay off, which is just crazy. And again, 21% is the starting rate. So take a look at your credit card's interest rate if you have one. You might be surprised by just how much it's costing you. So if you have that same credit card and you can bump up your credit score just 40 points, your interest rate drops 2 percentage points down to 19%. It doesn't sound like a whole lot, but your total payment drops from $8,124 to $7,322, saving you about $800. Now, if you really go the extra mile and you can get your credit score over 720, your interest drops down to just 14%, which means that your $5,000 credit card debt totals out to just $5,333, saving you almost $3,000. All right, now let's talk about the big one, buying a house. But first, before we do, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. You'll help us help more people, and we would all really appreciate it. Hit that little bell icon while you're at it too. It's very fun, and you'll get notified when we post new videos every week. All right, so poor credit for buying a house is a little higher than poor credit when getting a credit card or buying a car. While you can still get approved if you have a lower score, most lenders want to see a 620 or higher, so we'll use that number. The average mortgage nationwide is $300,000, and most mortgages are 30 years long. According to the MyFICO website, the average interest rate for a 620 credit score is 4.2%. Using our calculator and not factoring in any additional costs or down payments, a $300,000 mortgage at 4.2% works out to $1,467 per month and will cost you $228,000 in interest over the life of the loan, for a total of $528,000 spent on your house. But if you can boost your credit score just 40 points, your interest rate drops nearly a full percentage point. And again, that doesn't sound like much, but that same loan for the same house now only costs you $1,297 per month, meaning that you're saving $170 every month. And that's a lot of money. Over the life of the loan, you'll spend about $167,000 in interest for a total of $467,000, meaning that you are saving $61,000 just by boosting your score 40 points. So let's add everything up. Boosting your score 40 points and going from poor credit to fair credit will save you about $3,500 on a $10,000 car loan, $800 on a $5,000 credit card balance, and $61,000 on a mortgage. That's over $65,000. Monthly, you're putting about $225 back into your pocket. So if there was a service that could boost your credit score by 40 points in just 10 days for only $9.95 per month, and it could put $225 back into your wallet every month, That'd be a pretty good deal, wouldn't it? Well, that's it for today, everyone. Until next time, this is Cody with Rent Reporters, and I will see you in our next video.